Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn about ManyChat Instagram automation. So the first thing that we should do here is we are going to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, we just have to type out ManyChat.com, and we'll be directed to this website. So right here, you can click on sign in or get started. So when you click on get started option, we have your Instagram, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Okay, so for this video, we are going to focus on the Instagram. So just simply click on the Instagram option. So here, you just have to continue with your Google account or continue with Facebook. So I'm just going to continue with my Facebook account. And then this page will pop up. So just simply click on continue. So just make sure that you have logged in to your Facebook account using the same browser. Okay, so you'd be able to connect it immediately, and then right here just have to select your account. Okay, so this is the account connected to this account. Okay, and you'd be directed to your ManyChat dashboard. The next thing you should do here is you can start with auto reply to comment on DM, generate leads with stories, or recognize questions on DM with AI. So just click on the automation option at the left side. Okay, so this one below the contacts. Okay, that's right. And then right here, you'd be able to see all of your automations. Okay, so what you're going to do now is to simply click on the new automation at the top right. Okay, this one. So once you're done right here, be able to see the recommended templates. So these are the top templates to power up your Instagram. So we have this one. And then right here, when you scroll down, be able to discover more templates. So we have grow your YouTube, sell more on Agile Live, grow an SMS list, and more. So if you are new to ManyChat, I suggest you start from scratch. So just click on the start from scratch option at the top right. And from here, we can now start our automation. Okay, so here, the first thing that we should do is to add a new trigger. So a trigger is an event that starts your automation. So just click on to add a trigger. That's right. And then here we can select user comments on your post, user replies to your story, user sends a message, user clicks on Instagram ads. So this one is a pro plan, so you just have to subscribe to a plan. And then the last one is user comments on your live and more when you scroll down. So for this one, I'm just going to use user comments on our post or reel. So next, for step 1 is you just have to choose which post or reel that you want to use in automation. So I think I'm going to use this post right here. Okay, and then after that, just click on continue, and then you can also select all posts or reel, but you have to subscribe to a pro plan. Okay, so just click on continue, and then for step number 2, what will start your DM automation? So for specific keywords, comments include this keywords right here. Okay, and then comments exclude this keywords. So I'm just going to add comments that would be included in this keywords. So for example, a user comment to our post like, hi, hello, how much, I'm interested, or how, like DM, PM, or any kinds of keywords that you think that a user is going to comment on your post. Or you can also create a post and you can just guide them in what kind of keyword that they should put on the comment section so to be able to get an automated reply. Okay, so let me just close this one. So after adding your keywords or specific keywords, next thing they should do is to type out like comments exclude these keywords, but I'm just going to skip this part. And then also take note that keywords are not case sensitive. So for example, a capital letters for hello for letter H, and then the same word but the first letter, which is the letter H, is small, so it's okay. Then after that, you just have to simply click on continue. And for step 3, would you like to set up a public reply in the feed? So select yes, random multiple replies, and then take note that you can customize these replies or add in new replies. Okay, you can also choose to select no, and then after that, just click on save. Okay, now that we have our trigger already, next thing that we should do is to type out the message. Okay, so after the trigger, next thing that you should do is to type out or to compose here now the message. So for example, a good day, thank you for your interest, or thank you for reaching out. So we are glad that you have followed the instructions, or you have followed what we have told you in order for you to get this automated reply and get your free voucher. So something like that. Okay, and then after that, if you have a website where they can claim the price that you're talking about, so you just have to simply click on the add button. So let me just finish this message. Okay, so let me just correct the spelling for the voucher. It should be letter O. And then after that, just click on the add button option. So this one below. That's right. And then here, just have to select the open website. And then just have to paste here your website URL. And if you'd like to add an additional actions, just simply click on the toggle to switch on. Okay, so after that one, the next thing that we should do here now is to change the button name. Okay, so just have to go here to the button title. For example, click here. And then once you're done creating your automation, we can now preview this one and then set this to live afterwards. So I suggest if you want to consider using ManyChat, it has so many advantages. Like for example, it responds 24/7, it automates replies to direct messages, comments or mentions, ensuring your followers get timely responses even when you're unavailable, and it can also save time like reset answers to facts, reducing manual effort and focusing on high value interactions. And of course, it will improve your account engagement like instant comments or replies, automatically reply to comments on your post with direct messages, increasing engagement and fostering a connection with your audience. And of course, interactive experiences like use buttons, carousels, or quick replies to keep your audience engaged. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.